Welcome to the SL Aesthetic Clinic's YouTube channel, where we share all the latest tips and treatments for achieving flawless, radiant skin. My name is Dr. Wei Xing, and today we are going to be talking about one of the most common concerns after a Pico laser treatment session, and that is breakouts. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we'll talk about why those post-treatment breakouts happen and what you can do to prevent and manage them. So keep watching and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest skincare tips. So let's start by discussing what Pico laser is. Pico laser is a form of laser therapy that harnesses the power of short bursts of energy to target specific areas of the skin. It is a popular choice for many people wanting to achieve clearer and smoother skin, as it's incredibly effective at addressing a variety of skin issues from acne marks and inflammatory acne to enlarged pores, sunspots, age spots, and even hyperpigmentation. However, as previously mentioned, it's not uncommon for people to experience breakouts after the treatment, which can be really frustrating and might even make you second-guess getting the Pico laser treatment in the first place. So let's take a closer look at why breakouts may happen. After your Pico laser treatment, it's completely normal to experience some temporary effects, such as mild redness and tenderness over the treated areas. This is because the Pico laser treatment stimulates collagen production and encourages the shedding of dead skin cells, which can lead to temporary congestion and breakouts. But don't worry, this is simply your body's natural reaction to the procedure. It's important to remember that these post-treatment effects, including mild redness, tenderness, and even temporary breakouts, are usually mild and short-lived and are actually a sign that the treatment is working to improve your skin. It's also worth noting that Pico laser is used for a variety of other skin issues, such as tattoo removal. So if you are getting a tattoo removed, you might see a whitening or frosted layer over the tattoo area, but this will eventually fade away too. However, by following proper aftercare instructions and being patient, you can achieve clearer, smoother, and more even-looking skin while minimizing the likelihood of experiencing breakouts. To prevent post-treatment breakouts, it's essential to follow a proper skincare routine and maintain clean and well-moisturized skin. I recommend using a gentle cleanser and moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and to avoid any harsh skincare products and makeup for at least 3 days following the treatment. This will allow your skin to properly recover without the risk of irritation or clogged pores. It's also important to avoid direct sunlight and wear a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 50 to protect your skin from ultraviolet damage. Also, avoid touching or picking at your skin during the recovery period, as this can delay the healing process. Now, if you are feeling a mild amount of redness or tenderness in the treated areas, you can apply a cool compress to soothe the skin. To do so, you can either use a cold pack or wrap a clean damp cloth around some ice cubes and place it on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. Also, try to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, as this can help in reducing any potential swelling or redness you may experience post-treatment. And more importantly, trust the process. It's important to remember that healing takes time, and it's natural for some time to pass before you begin noticing the complete benefits of the treatment. So while you may feel tempted to rush the process, keep in mind that giving your skin the necessary time to recover is essential for optimal results. So stay calm, be patient, and trust the process. So if you're wondering whether Pico laser is the right treatment for you, you can take comfort in knowing that it's a generally safe option for most healthy adults and skin types. However, to ensure that the Pico laser treatment is the best fit for your unique skin goals, we recommend scheduling a consultation with our team of doctors. We're always here to provide personalized advice based on your skin type and needs, and to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.